Here we are back with another video in Alton, Illinois. This was Wednesday before Christmas on the 22nd. It was a beautiful day, high of 60 degrees. I'm just testing out a new camera that I got. It's a 360 camera. Hope you enjoy it. Also, hopefully it doesn't make you dizzy. I was getting a little dizzy just doing the edit.
City of Alton utility permit.
Tony dropped me off here, so hopefully he comes back. If not, I'll be walking home. Which wouldn't be too bad of a walk.
Get out there.
Please let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this 360 footage or not. That's super trippy and cool. Tony said this was a gimmick. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. Either way, it's pretty cool. I think this might be good just to do for small houses. The bigger buildings, just use my DSLR.
Not too much here. Let's take a look at the basement.
Most of Alton is located on the bluffs, overlooking the Mississippi River Valley. It's a crazy shot.
That's cool.
If you're wondering where Tony is, he had just explored a house right before this one. He was trying to be nice and let me have this one. There's a trim along the door. The front door and the hallway door are pretty cool. Get a little panoramic view of that. Here we go into the basement. And there's my big head. Yeah, I like this 360 footage so far. It's really hard to get up close to things. Which is pretty much the only downfall. Other than that, you get to see the whole entire experience. The furnace. And most of the time you never get to see my reactions during these explorations. I kind of like that I can just spin the camera around, you know, after I've recorded and get the angles that I want. It's pretty much going to be the end of this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. On the flip side.
Huh?
Was it worth it?
It's cool.